Consumer motivation. So today we are going to discuss about consumer motivation. What is motivation? Basic motivation is that people are motivated by many things. Some positives, others not. Some motivating factors can move people only a short time, like hunger, which will last only until you are fed. Others can drive a person onwards for years. So motivation means the basic instinct which comes from the inner feelings. Motivation means this will be a two-way you will be motivated, either positive side or negative side. Okay, and due to the motivation, people excel in their life. Or due to the motivation, people are going to accept certain things. So basic motivation is that factor is that if you are hungry, for example, then you are waiting for the food, and that time you are motivated when until unless you are go to accept the food or you are going to taking the food. So in short terms, motivation is the driving force within individuals that impels them to action. Motivation is the activation or energization of goal-oriented behavior. Suppose somebody you want to achieve something in life, but for that thing you need some motivation. Why you want to achieve these things? You want to be top in the class. Why? Because if you are top in the class, you maybe get some award, or you will get some good job in a corporate or something else. There should be some motivating factors for which you are driving for that. When you are hungry, you need a food. Okay, so until you are not getting the food, you are still striving for that. And when you get the food, you stop your motivation is over. In the case of goal oriented, if you are certain goal oriented, it's a long time vision. Then there are a lot of factors acting in your behavior, internal factors, external factors, which motivate you, which drive the force to you to go for that. So motivation is basically a driving force. It's like a catalyst to run the equations. When it forces you to do the things, something comes from within your inner sense, within your mind, which helps to achieve the objective. So for consumer behavior, consumer motivation factor is very, very important to understand for the marketers. Okay, so marketers try to understand motivation may be intrinsic or extrinsic. The term is generally used for humans, but theoretically it can also be used to describe the causes for animal behavior as well. According to various theories, motivation may be rooted in the basic need to minimize physical pain and maximize pleasure, or it may include specific needs such as eating and resting, or desired object, hobby, goal, ideal, or may be attributed to less apparent reason, morality or avoiding mortality. Means motivation, it will be inner or the other factors. Generally, not only humans, every individual, other in the universe, they are motivated for something. Somebody is hungry. If somebody is hungry, then he tried to motivate to get some food somehow. For that thing, his main ambition to get the food. For human being to get a good job or something, winning the cricket match or football, something is a motivating factor should be there. This will come from the inner feelings or some environmental factors which help them to achieve the objectives. It is a driving force. It's always be in his mind for which he try to achieve the goal.